Welcome everyone. In this video I will demonstrate how we can use arithmetic operators. So we will take a simple problem. Read two integers from STDIN and print 6 lines where the first line contains the sum of the two numbers a plus b, second line contains the difference of the two numbers a minus b, the third line contains the product of the numbers a multiplied by b, the fourth line contains the result of a divided by b, the fifth line contains the result of an integer division between a and b, the sixth line contains the remainder when a divided by b. So the first four are very familiar operations: addition, subtraction, multiplications and division. Next is integer division. Integer division is same as regular divisions except all the numbers after decimal point in the results are truncated. It is similar to the floor function in positive integers and ceiling function in negative integers. As we can see in the sample output, all the numbers after the decimal point are truncated in this result. Next is modulo operator. We have already discussed this operator in our last video. The result of this operator is the remainder when we divide a by b. If we do integer division of a and b, then we multiply the result with b, then the result is subtracted from a, we get the same result as modulo operator. So I think all these 6 operations are very clear, so we will start coding now. First we will take two inputs from user a and b and typecast them to integer like this. A is equal to input and then similar statement for b, and then we will simply write the print statements using these operators. Print a plus b. I can copy this. I need 6 statements, then I will just change the operators: minus, multiply, divide, integral division, and then modulus. And then we will click on run button. Run. Now the console is expecting some input, so I will give 5, 3, and the results are displayed. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.